Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, this can be incredibly frustrating. This issue may arise from various factors such as a drained battery, faulty power supply, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making the repair process more complicated and costly. To get started, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic spudger, a replacement battery, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. First, ensure your workspace is clean and free of static. Begin by using the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your Acer N19H2. Keep track of the screws as you remove them, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. With the panel removed, locate the battery connection. This can usually be found near the center of the device. Carefully disconnect the battery by lifting the connector gently with your spudger. If your battery appears swollen or damaged, it is essential to replace it. To extract the old battery, remove the screws securing it in place. Pay attention to the type of screws you encounter, as some may be shorter than others. Apply a gentle upward force to lift the battery out. Place the new battery in the same position and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, try powering on your device. If it turns on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your battery health and avoid letting your device run completely out of power. Additionally, keeping your device clean and free from dust can help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.